We're with Leighanne Regan, the owner of Renew Salon in Leicester, showing us all the best festival hair hacks. First, give your hair a good brush with the Hair Rehab London paddle brush and spray Collab dry shampoo into the roots. Section your hair into 2 sections, split diagonally using a pintail comb and clip your Hair Rehab London clip-in plait into place. Use the top section of your own hair to conceal the clip-in plait. Next, apply L'Oreal's Colorista hair makeup to add some hints of colour. We've chosen to use the hot pink shade in this video. Now you're ready to begin your Dutch braid. Use a clear elastic band to secure in place. Repeat this on the other section of your parting so that you have 2 very colourful Dutch braids. Finally, add a spritz of Mark Hill's 10-in-1 Wonder Spray into your parting and dust some festival glitter into your roots and through your Dutch braids. If you would like a personal colour match from one of our team, please get in touch via www.hairrehablondon.com.